In today's video, you'll learn how to create an enticing offer banner for your white label website using Food Hub EPOS. This feature is a fantastic way to attract more customers and boost your online orders. First, navigate to the settings in the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Promotions. From there, select Offer Banner. Here, you'll see both active and inactive offer banners. Active banners are marked in green, and inactive banners are marked in red. To create a new offer banner, click on the plus icon at the top. You can pick an offer banner by selecting a category and subcategory or by scrolling through the list and choosing one. Next, type in the offer title, details, and terms. You can even link the offer banner to a specific category in your menu. This way, when consumers click on the offer banner, they'll be redirected to that category on your white label website. Ensure the Publish Online toggle is enabled so the offer banner appears on your website within the specified expiration date. If you need to disable the offer banner, simply toggle off the Publish Online button. Finally, specify the banner duration date and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created an offer banner. By using offer banners, you can easily highlight special deals, discounts, and offers, drive traffic to specific categories, and enhance your consumers' online experience.